Hey guys, I want to walk you through how to submit a Google Drive assignment in itslearning. They've made it super easy, and I've typed up some instructions here, but all you have to do is go to the bottom and you're going to click Answer Assignment. It's going to make a copy in your Google Drive, okay, and it may ask you to sign in at this point. I'm already signed in, so it won't, but once it opens, then you can go and you can fill in the boxes with whatever you'd like. You can insert a picture, okay, from either your computer or from the internet, whatever you'd like. So fill in the boxes. And when you're finished, after you've filled it all in, after you've gone through all the questions, you can even close the assignment and it's saved in your Google Drive. Okay, so it's here, and you're going to click Submit. Once a teacher grades it, you will obviously have access to it again, but the difference is here, you cannot edit your assignment once you submit it. Okay, so just be careful that you're completely finished